All right, we're looking at the Nifty 50 hourly chart, and welcome back. We have a these are our Gann angles. The resistances are the red lines emanating from the R1 resistance at the top here, and we have these white lines as your supports, starting from the S1, S2, S3 levels. All right, so it's very simple for today. The main resistance being 600 for Nifty, and it's a major support. So if Nifty can get above that, it could go as high as there's a resistance here at 670, as we discovered this morning. The intersection right here, if you follow my cursor, the hand symbol there, that's your resistance, and that's what we hit the high today and rejected from there. If Nifty is able to close above 600 support level, it could trade as high as 740. Okay, guys, staying below 600, and this is our second hour of the day. We are looking at a support of 500. 500 is your first support, following which we're looking at 485 as your second support. These are your intersections right here, guys. This is 500. This right here is 485. If those two break, Nifty could actually break below the 400 support and test the 390 levels. Okay, I hope I'm making myself very clear here. We have a support at 500, support at 485, resistance at 600 and 670. Okay, so Nifty could stay within 670 to the 485 level today. Okay, if either of these break, we're going higher to 740 above. Okay, and below 500, we're looking at 390 as final support. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Thanks for listening, and see you in the next